Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at a product that's been blowing up online lately, the Woofy robot dog. Is it actually a smart, interactive pet for kids, or just another toy with flashy marketing? Let's break it down. So what is Woofy, really? According to the official website, it's a robotic puppy that can walk, bark, sit, and wag its tail just like a real dog. They also claim it uses AI-powered behavior that adapts to how your child plays, making it feel more lifelike than a regular stuffed toy. On top of that, they push big discounts, sometimes up to 70% off, plus a 30-day money-back guarantee. Sounds amazing, maybe a little too amazing. Here's the honest truth. Woofy isn't a total scam. You do receive a toy when you order. The real problem is the expectations set by the ads. A lot of parents say the puppy is cute and fun, but it doesn't live up to the advanced AI promises. The movements are simple, the sounds are preset, and overall it feels more like a battery-powered plush toy than a futuristic robot pet. That said, it's not useless. If you're buying it as a playful toy to entertain a child, it can definitely bring some smiles and comfort. Just don't go in expecting a real dog replacement or high-end robotics. So, is Woofy legit? Yes, but it's seriously overhyped. Think of it as a fun toy, not a groundbreaking gadget, and you'll avoid disappointment. Thanks for watching. If this review helped you out, hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more honest product breakdowns.